Well, welcome back to Hubert's Projects for another wonderful episode of My Poor Planning. Well, I made it over to the in-laws' house. The farm all's in here. There's a battery charger on it, which is not reassuring. So we're gonna check and see if we can't get this old girl started. Gotta see if I remember how to do this. So we got, that's a starter. Choke's over here. Give her some choke. Give her some revs. And gotta love this old tractor. Not the prettiest girl in the world, but gets the job done for sure. My father-in-law's at work right now, and we'll plow his driveway for him before he gets home. This is a thank you for letting me use his plow for my quad. Well, those of you that have old tractors know there's no fuel gauge, so that's our fuel gauge. We got 2 or 3 gallons of fuel in this old girl, so should be enough to do some plowing. Now the question is, does she cheat? Yeah, she does. Is she supposed to? No, just to gas her. But does she do a fine ass job out here pushing snow? You bet your ass she does. Starts up every freaking time. Only one time did she have a problem. That's when the teeth of the distributor were gone. Which, I don't know what to run like that. But she ran for like 2 miles like that till they were completely gone and not doing anything. So, got the yard cleaned up pretty good. We moved the van, moved some cars, plow the rest of this yard, and we're gonna get out of here. Well, in typical me fashion, I have waited to the last minute to put the plow on the four-wheeler. As you can tell, the yard is not even plowed. I've had this plow for 6 months, not on the four-wheeler. I bought a bracket off of eBay, supposed to fit the quad. Nope, doesn't fit. So I had to go to the in-laws after I drove the tractor, steal their plow, their bracket, and everything off their quad, because it doesn't run. So this should be fun. Well, I forgot to hit record, but we got a plow on the Honda now. Like I said, plow bracket I had didn't fit. The plow I have out here didn't fit the Cycle Country plow. So I stole my in-laws, well, borrowed their plow bracket and their plow, put it on my quad. Why didn't I just borrow their four-wheeler, you ask? Theirs doesn't run. Mine does, for now. So yeah, I'm gonna plow the yard and get this cleaned up, because this snow is not getting any shorter or less deep. My neighbor's plow truck we borrowed last year and got stuck is broken. His 2 other trucks are broken, and the 4th one is torn apart. So we don't have any way to borrow his truck. So we're resorting to cannibalizing other four-wheelers and things. I'm gonna go freeze now. Well, we successfully plowed 3 swipes over there. Let's drop this plow down and see if we can't make our way to the front yard. I do have an issue with the automatic clutch on here. The shifter gets stuck, so that's cool. Oh, this is deeper than I thought. Come on, little blood, you can do it. That's a big snow pile. We should back up a minute. Come on, go into gear. There you go. Let's pull this plow up and lock it. Try it again. There we go. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, this part of the driveway is not as deep, so that should be easier since the back part of the yard that we just came from has never been plowed. My buddy Tony came by and plowed this. You've seen him in videos where I steal his lift. So let's get this done. Well, I was trying to make trails for baby Dildar on the four-wheeler, and we made it back to this far to the driveway, and she's sunk. So I put a 1,500 pound rated strap on it, snapped that already. So we're gonna use Luke's grandpa's chain. That seems to be saving the day all the time. Well, it's a good thing I plowed yesterday, because you can't even tell. We had another 6 to 8 inches come down, plus blowing and drifting last night. So I'm about to freeze my butt off for another 2 hours on the four-wheeler. This is mostly fluffy snow, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. And today I made a smart choice and wear my hat with goggles instead of sunglasses. But yeah, this will be fun. Just what I love, snow. Not really, I absolutely hate it. Well, it's been a half hour. The quad's doing pretty good. The snow is very fluffy. It's not super light. Some of it, the bottom layer that's still down from yesterday, is kind of heavy, but quad's doing it pretty good. The van fired up, and I haven't tried the escape yet, but I'm gonna move them in the turnaround, plow this section, and we should be done. So, note to you all that think it's a good idea to wait till the snow comes down to put your plow on, that you bought off Marketplace along with your bracket you bought off of eBay. Don't do it, because you'd be like me, borrowing your in-laws stuff in your quad to make it plow. So yeah, let's get the rest of this crap cleaned up. Well, I have to say, I'm very impressed with this little Honda. Got the whole yard. No, it's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. I can get out of my driveway now in the morning. Got a couple more spots to hit over here by the vehicles. Move the Mrs. Escape back over by the house, clean up some stuff, and drive over to in-laws' house here and see if they need help plowing their driveway. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Whoever invented semi-flat roofs, I want to kill you. Fucking hate shoveling my roof. On another note, does anybody have a small snowblower I can put on my roof to clean this off next time? Because this is ridiculous. I've only gotten a quarter of the roof done. It's heavy, real heavy.